Woof, original poetry by Diogenes the dog. Lightning, inspired by my beautiful wife. Lightning. She had lightning in her eyes. Some men say they see things in a woman's eyes. For me, her eyes held depth and feeling. From just a glance, is like a hot summer's night. Fireflies flickering at dusk. A storm off in the distance. Lightning flashing, thunder rolling. But a storm I knew I was safe from. Yes, her eyes were lightning, heat, depth, and passion. What else would you expect from her? Born and grown in the Visayas. Typhoons as much as sunshine. And I had to have them as mine for the rest of my days. Lightning.